that is using synthetic event object in Unit 3 topic 5, and this comes under synthetic objects that wrap the native browsers along with the event that you are ensuring the consistency. Okay, that ensure consistency will be interacted along with the different browsers. Okay, and second one, event pooling. What is event pooling? The synthetic event that which we have performed, that everything will be reuses one by one in your browser with different browsers. Okay, and that will be performed and reconditioned or reducing the memory powers which will not default for our usage. Okay, and third topic is cross browser compatibility. In cross browser compatibility, we will go along with the native browser which we have started, that have been developed, and along with this focus of the functions, we can be bound together to make a browser, new browser. Okay, and the final thing is the event handling ReactJS. Already we saw what is event handling in ReactJS. That associate along with the JSX format, and it uses the attribute which has been followed one by one. Okay, and it uses on-click button. Already we saw what is on-click button. We have used nothing but we are using online purchasing, right? In that, the final thing we are going for the card. That thing will be added in the on-click button. Okay, if you click the button, the card will be added, right? That is called event handlers. And automatic event binding. In previous class we saw what is binding. The binding is nothing but the function and class components that combine together to make a binding format. Okay, for user friendly. Our bounding is a component that interacts, simplify our work, which will be simplified event handling. Which of the event handling has been described, it has been simplified and it has been added in the binding along with function and classes. And preventing default behavior. We can prevent each and everything included with the development themes and along with the default process. If you have any default, it will be cancelled regularly. Okay, no need to go along with that. For that, we are using the format that is event.prevent default close braces. Okay, this will help you. What are the unwanted defaults will be reduced, and we can go along with the using synthetic events. What we have been given in the browser. Okay, here we have seen three types of basic practice. First one is utilizing the function which has been done with the components, and second one is implementing each and everything with debouncing. What is the meaning of debouncing? What is the meaning of debouncing? Ban and reject pannuvolla, that is called debouncing. Okay. And third thing which have been handled, each and everything we have been handled, and that will be goes outside along with the render method. That render method will be prevent and perform all the details along with the user synthetic method of event. Okay, clear? So here in event handling we have seen that what is using synthetic events that has been done in the objects, and here I am giving the example for that. When we are go to the add card, we want to click on click button and it will be added each and every card by one, and handling add card to the cards, and event we are having here is handle add to card, and the procedure is synthetic event, and next process is event prevent default. Here we can see what is the synthetic event has been done. For example, event prevent default will be happen in this, and the event will be goes under the target. Otherwise, the event will be go under the time. Okay, and these things will be used with the advantage. For example, simplify each and every usage of base code. And second one, it supports the handle with the browsers. And third one, we are getting the browser React, and after one by one with the elements which has been rendered in the docs method. Okay, so here we saw what is the example of synthetic method, and also what is the synthetic method. The final thing is what is synthetic event? It is nothing but it is a runtime event along with the control navigation which will be workflow under the process. Okay. Again, I tell you what is synthetic event. The synthetic objects that wrap along with the navigate nature browser along with the event browser. For example, the nature browser is on-click, and the synthetic event is combined together make a native browser. So this native browser along with making use of synthetic event handles each and every card, add to cart event. These both things combine together make a browser for on-click process, and it goes along with the pooling and it reuses. If you want to go along with the performance with the add card, you can go. Otherwise, if you not need it, it will be reduces the memory along with the city process. So if we go along with the synthetic event, it will be goes with the synthetic event process along with the prevention and the advantage uses. These things will be combined together to make a synthetic event objects in the browser in different methods. So we can go along with the different